Today we're going to take a look at Lesson 7, Chew on This. The essential question for this task is, what type of sequence grows faster, arithmetic or geometric sequences? Remember from our previous work, arithmetic and geometric sequences. If you don't remember, look back at the work we've done in the past 6 tasks. Mr. and Mrs. Gloop want their son, Augustus, to do his homework every day. Augustus loves to eat candy, so his parents have decided to motivate him to do his homework by giving him candies for each day that the homework is complete. Mr. Gloop says that on the first day that Augustus turns in his homework, he will give him 10 candies. On the second day, he promises to give 20 candies. On the third day, he will give 30 candies, and so on. Write both a recursive and explicit formula that shows the number of candies that Augustus earns on any given day with his father's plan. Then use the formula to find out how many candies Augustus will get on day 30. To help you write your recursive and explicit formulas, you might want to think about starting with a table or a graph. When you start with your table, make your input your days and your output the number of candy. Use your formula to find out how many candies Augustus will get on day 30. You're going to need to use your explicit formula because you don't know how many candies he's getting on day 29. Let's look at part 2. Augustus looks in the mirror and decides that he's gaining weight. He is afraid that all the candy will just make it worse. So he tells his parents that it would be okay if they just gave him 1 candy on the first day, 2 on the second day, continuing to double the amount each day as he completes his homework. Mr. and Mrs. Gloop like Augustus's plan and agreed to it. Model the amount of candy that Augustus would get each day he reaches his goals with the new plan. Again, to create your mathematical models or representations, it might be helpful to start with a table. Same as before, let your input be the days and the output be the number of candy Augustus receives. Use your model to predict the number of candies that Augustus would earn on the 30th day with his plan. Since you don't know how many candies he's going to earn on the 29th day, you'll need an explicit equation to find out how many candies he earns on the 30th day. Bring this work to class so that we can discuss it.